Today we're going to practice less than, so we'll start with some starfall practice. So we're comparing
Choose less than or greater than.
We're comparing 2 and 4, so we need to figure out which one's bigger. Is 2 bigger or 4? I know when I was 4, I was bigger than when I was 2. So 4 is bigger. Now the mouth wants to open to the bigger number. So 4 is on this side, so here the mouth will be open to eat the 4.
Good job. 2 is less than 4.
Let's go on to the next one. Now we have 9 and 4. Would you rather have 9 cookies or 4 cookies? I'd rather have 9 cookies. 9 is a bigger number. So here the mouth is open to the side with the 9, the left side. So 9 is greater than 4.
Exactly. 9 is greater than 4.
All right. Now we have 13 and 7. Which one's bigger, 13 or 7? I know if I have $13, I have more than if I have 7. So 13's more, it's greater, it's bigger. So I need my mouth open to the side that has 13. That's this one. The mouth is open to eat the 13.
Great job. 13 is greater than 7.
All right, so on our calculator, which I'll pull over, I'm going to put in 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, and the last thing I need to do is say equals. So here we're comparing 15 to 18. Which one's bigger? Okay. 15 is the bigger number, so I need the mouth open to the side that has 15. 15 is greater.
Good job. 8 plus 7 is greater than 8.
All right, last one. All right. After I'm done with my calculator, remember I have to clear it to do the next problem. And the next one I'm putting in is 6 plus 8. Ready? 6 plus 8 equals. It equals 14. So I have a little sticky note here so we remember that it's 14 on this side. And now we can do the other side. Okay, so we're going to do 9 plus 4. I cleared it. 9 plus 4. Now I hit equals 13. So which is bigger, 14 or 13? 14 is bigger, so I need my mouth open to 14. That's right here.
Exactly. 6 plus 8 is greater than 9 plus 4. Great job!
All right, so we're done with our starfall practice. And now we're going to do our Nearpod for less than. The code you need is DACEO. Again, it's DACEO. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the app and enter DACEO to join. Now the first thing we do is always the same. We type in your name so I get to see all of your hard work. And then hit join session. So one way that people are celebrating graduates is with car parades. So the first thing that we're counting is cars. So remember, I'll label 1, 2 in the first row, and now I want you to count with me. Ready? 1, 2. There are 2 cars in that row. Okay, let's do the next row. I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to count. 1. I hope you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in the next row. Now we're looking for which one is less, which one is smaller. If I just look at the pictures, I could tell which one's smaller because this one has some missing, so it's smaller, there's less. So 2 is less. 2 is less than 5. You only have to fill in this box, these boxes here, 2, 5, and less. Then hit submit. All right, at graduation, people make speeches. So people are still making speeches. At our school, we're recording it ahead of time. So I'll label the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I want you to count them with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 speakers. Now we go to the next row. I'll label 1, 2, 3. Now you count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now which one is less? Do you have less cookies if you have 7 or 3? You have less cookies if you have 3. 3 is less than 7. So you need to make sure you have your 7, your 3, and your less than check. Then hit submit. Our next one, people need to plan out how we're celebrating graduations. Okay? So people work together to make a plan to celebrate everyone that worked so hard. So I'm going to label the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 in the first row, 6 plans. Now we go to the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plans in the next row. Now, which one has less? Do you have less candy if you have 6 or 5? You have less if you have 5. 5 is less than 6. So you're making sure your boxes are filled out and then hitting submit. And now we're to our last one. Okay? We have a city. So I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cities. Next row, I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So, which one has less? Do you have less money if you have $4 or $6? You have less money if you have 4. 4 is less than 6. So when you're done, hit submit. You're all done practicing less than. Great job.